Having clause. In this video, we will learn what is having clause and how to use having clause. The having clause is used in combination with the group by clause to restrict the groups of returned rows to only those whose the condition is true. So that means we use having clause on those rows which is generated after group by clause. Remember, we cannot use where clause after group by clause. Alright, so let's see the syntax of having clause. So here you can see syntax of having clause. Select then columns name from table name where condition, then group by, then columns name having condition, and then order by, and then columns name. Now let's see how to use having clause in SQL Server. Now let's open the query editor. Now select your database. Inside this database, we have table sales order detail. So we will use this for having clause. Select from sales order detail, and here we will write the column name sales order ID, comma, sum, line total as subtotal, alright, and count sales order I sales order ID as total orders. Alright, now here we will use group by on sales order ID, and after the group by we will use having clause. Having sum line total greater than 50,000. Alright, so because where clause we cannot use with aggregate function, so that's why we are using having. And if you want to apply filters on those rows which is generated after group by clause, so we are using having clause. Alright, now select this and execute this. So this is your records has been fetched. Alright, this is subtotal which is greater than 50,000. So you will not find any of the record which is less than 50,000. Alright, and if you want to apply order by on the same query, so order by subtotal. Alright, now select this and execute this. So it started from more than 50,000. Alright, you also can apply where clause as well. So for that I'll copy this and here I'll paste this, and before group by here we use where line total greater than 1000. Alright, so let's understand how it will execute. First it will fetch all those records which line total is greater than 10,000, and then it will apply group by on those rows, and then after grouping those rows it will apply filter using having clause, and then it will apply order by on subtotal column. Alright, now select this and execute this. So this is your result. Fine. You also can use having clause with multiple tables as well. So let's see how can we do that. I have already saved one query in my system, so I have already written this query, so I copy this and paste here in my, so here we had joined two tables, sales order detail and sales order headers, and here we had used all these columns, customer ID from sales order header and line total from sales order detail table, and here we are using where line item is greater than 100. So here at the place of group ID we will use customer ID. All right, and here also we use this customer ID. All right, now we will use having close, we will use this same. Okay, paste here, and here at the place of 50,000 I'll use 90,000. All right, now select this query and execute this. So here you can see your all data has been fetched. Okay, so always remember the sequence of these four. First it will come where close, then group by close, then having, then outer by close. All right, so what we had learned in this tutorial, we had learned what is having close and how to use having close with group by close. Thank you.